I'm with Scissors, Alan Hutchinson, HT Market. What I'm going to do is show somebody that wants to replace a bad base light or put a different one in, maybe a different color base light, or just turn these base lights off. Some people don't like the base lights because their kids hit the light buttons or whatever. Basically, there's a cord on the base light here at the end of it. It's LED base light, and they're on with these little twisty ties. The cord is stuck underneath here. You just have to pull it out. I'm going to push it back in and pull it back out. So it's in here, and then you just pull it out of here. So you just take it, unplug it if you don't want to use it, and just use a twisty tie to one of these Ziploc ties. That one was already cut, so we're going to cut these things off. There's one. Twisty tie gone. Sometimes, occasionally, a twisty tie will cut the base LED light because it was put on too tight, and then you got a problem. This thing will basically stop working. Good news, it's easy to fix. If you don't like base lights, you don't have to fix it, but basically it also has a little sticky stuff on the other side, adhesive. So you just take the adhesive, but it'll basically, so there's your base light, that's all it is. So we're going to put it back on. Make sure it's in the middle. Goes over this little screw cap. And what we're going to do is get some of these twisty tie things. We have some over here, Ziplocs. Should have black ones if you can get them. You can get these at pretty much any place. I think Walgreens has them. I think Walgreens has everything. I see. Okay, we're putting the twisty ties on. I'm going to put one right here. Try to put it in the back. You can hear that thing going. There's one. So I'm going to put that one there. I'm going to cut off the leads. I'm going to cut the lead off. I like that sound. The sound of zip. Zippity-doo-dah-day. Yeah, that's pretty strong. I'm going to cut that little end off. Zippity-doo-dah-day. 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 All right, let me see. Then we'll plug this back in. This goes around this other side. Plugs in this little thing here. Make sure this is tight. If you have a problem with the base lights, check this first. See if that's connected correctly. Looks like they work. Okay. All right, let's flip the thing back down. Hold on, let's just move this garbage out. Garbage in, garbage out. All right. Just push it down, I guess, here. Is it on? Does it work? Mm-hmm. All right. So yeah, what we'll do is, you know, you have to use the black zip ties, but that's basically how you replace your base light rail. Fairly easy, straightforward, and you can disconnect it if you don't want to use it. It still works in the cups. Couple of lights. HTmarket.com, how to replace your base rail lights, HTDesign seating.